What's going on, everybody? Biker Dave here, driving around in the 2008 Ford Taurus X Wagon. One of my favorite cars, actually. I have several cars, but this one is one of my favorites because it gets good gas mileage. It has really good performance, almost 280 horsepower in this V6. Tons of room and cargo space and room for 7 people and whatnot. You know, got a trailer hitch. I tow my dirt bike and motorcycle and stuff around with it. Just a really handy car, even though it's older, it's not that sexy looking, whatever. Something I just solved on this little thing. The tire, and that's a front-wheel drive car, the tires have probably 12,000 miles, maybe a little bit more on them. And I was, for the past, I don't know, a few thousand miles, I was noticing a very slight vibration right around 65 miles per hour. And, anywhere between 60 and 65. Very slight vibration in the steering wheel. You know, it wasn't much at all. Like, if you can see the wheel right here, it would be like very slight. See how much it's moving? It wouldn't even be that much. Very slight amount of vibration. Anyway, I've had a ton of suspension work done to it, over the couple of years I've had it. All new shocks, struts, stabilizer arms, bearings, brakes. See my other videos and all that stuff. Now, I didn't do a lot of that work, but as far as videos, me talking about it and before and afters and whatnot, I just rotated the tires on this thing, which had not been done yet. And the vibration is totally gone. Yeah, I'm on a perfectly smooth, expressway going, 65, cruise control set. It is as smooth as silk on the steering wheel. So that means, this could be the same with any car, really, and the alignment and balance and everything have been checked a couple of times, actually, throughout, a lot of stuff I had done to the car. So it's not that. And I had the tires installed as well, so they were new, However, so it could be, and I always check the tire pressure, make sure that it's where it should be. So that means it could be only with front-wheel drive cars, but I know other cars have had the same issue that people complain about it as well. A very slight vibration around 65 or so. Anyway, if you're having this problem, unless your tires are offset, on width, front and rear, try doing a tire rotation and see if that helps at all. Especially if if your tires are due for them, if they're more than 10,000 miles between rotations. I don't rotate them often enough. You should do it between 5,000 and 7,000 miles. So I'm guilty of missing doing that on schedule. But I can attest to tire rotation completely eliminated vibration. I'm impressed. Anyway, check out our other videos. We got quite a few videos about this car and about other cars, trucks, motorcycles, dirt bikes, lawn equipment, stuff around the house, computer stuff, all kinds of stuff on our channel. If you just look up, I'll put a link down below or on the thumbnail for this specific car. But if you just search our channel for various vehicles and fixes and do-it-yourself projects, we got a ton of them. We got over 1,800 videos, so I know it's a lot to look through. But if you have a specific thing you're trying to solve, maybe on your vehicle, have a look through the channel. Also, if you want to contribute a little bit to us, you can click the join button down below, and you can choose a couple of very inexpensive donation processes you can do. We got a PayPal link you can donate for us, because we try to do, we're not perfect by any means, and we're not master mechanics at all. But we try to do good for you, and post cool stuff and, funny stuff and entertainment values. We try to get that kind of high up, So we try to do decent videos for you. So hopefully you enjoy it, appreciate it. You know, maybe it makes you laugh, smile, helps you solve a project. Because we know how it is. If you get stumped on a project and you can't solve it, I totally know how it is. Talk about frustrating. I get it. Anyway, that's it. Just want to tell you, rotate your tires. You might solve a vibration problem. Or it might be time to get new tires installed. Could be any number of different things. Anyway, that's it. Y'all have a great day. We'll see y'all later.